Hi guys! I'm Erica and
Ali
TV!
So ngayon po guys, mag-drawing po kami.
Ito pa yung mga materials.
Look guys! So, ang cute po. Ito po si Berry. Yung nanay po na Berry. Tapos ito po yung baby. Ito po naman yung rabbit na superhero.
Ano po siya? Ito. Ano yun? Washable marker.
Ito.
Ano
Color
po?
cake.
Acrylic marker.
Ito po, pencil, ano po. Color pencil po ni sir namin dati. Yung bago po dati. Okay, let's start.
Tapos, ito po gamit natin pang serve. Ay, pang ano. Wait lang guys. Ay,
Akin talaga, girl. Ano yan? So,
so
ano
let's
daw
start.
Ano daw
Round 1.
natin? Ay, ano? Gawin natin, guys. Nakaisip na po, guys.
Ang
Ano?
team natin ay
Cookies na heart shape. Cookies na heart shape.
Ha?
Cookies na heart shape.
Ah,
Sayang na sayang! Video pala tayo.
video call.
Video! Sayang na sayang talaga. Did my invitation disappear? So, ano ba ulit sabihin? And all here, Hika, open the walls, play with the dolls. We'll be a perfect family. Kunin ko ng eraser, guys.
Ito guys.
Thanks,
ewan.
guys. Oh my gosh, ang dami guys.
Come to the island. Dapat nasa
No
plato
one
siya.
ever
guys.
listen.
Balgaya. Balgaya-gaya. Okay, so
Hindi dapat malaki, tapos may kulay.
okay lang yun. Kasi para madami space natin hanggang round 100 pa to.
Hanggang round 5 lang to.
Laro lagi na lang round 10.
No. You cannot do. Sige na nga lang. Spoil. Spoil to girl. Huwag niyo ipalo to sa TikTok. Girl, huwag. Joke lang. Oo. Ay! Huwag. Yung heart ko mukhang ano na eh. Grass.
Oh my god, ang ganda na. Parang lipstick.
Did my invitation disappear? Tell me can you tell me? And your places, throw on your dress and put on the spices, everyone. Kumusta work?
Mabubutas na yung papel ko eh. Wow.
To the DOLLHOUS. I see things that nobody else. Uh-oh, just coming to the island plastic. No one ever listens to what people distant. Prices, getting your prices. Throw on your dress and put on your spices, everyone. Things that work perfect, please don't let them look too right. that nobody else sees. Hey girl, open the walls, baby, you don't. We'll be a perfect family. Picture, picture, smile for the picture.
Ang ganda niya, guys. Guys. Maliit lang yung akin, guys. Okay? Let's wait for Lauren. Ang bagal na kasi.
With my invitation this here. So,
Doon na, baka
no,
sila.
no, right here.
Ito nyo na yan, ako. Strawberry yan.
Whatever, whatever. Just need a shit on a lot of cake for me. Forever, forever. It's my party and I cry if I want to. Cry if I want to. Cry, cry, cry. Dance with that girl, dance with that girl, dance with that girl, bam, bam. Dance
Di
with
ba
that
favorite ko
girl,
yung dati?
dance with it. Ano si Sia nagkanta nun? Si Sia? Ay, hindi pala. Alam ko yung ano na rin. I love, trillion. Ano? Oo.
Trillion.
Oo. Trillions. Dance with that girl.
Akin to.
Dance with that girl. Dance with that girl, little bum. Come on, come on. Turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. And do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. I hate the dance floor. That's why I love you, baby. I don't need no cash. I have no cash. I got you, baby. Let's Uh-oh, just coming to the attic, plastic. Go back to being plastic. No one go open the walls, baby, you don't. We'll be a perfect family. When you look away, stay away.
Okay na? Ay, bago.
Places, places, where new places. Show on your dress and pull in dark places. You want things away from distance. So the context and H-O-U-S.
Tapos na?
Hampay! Oh, hindi pa.
In 5.
Wow!
Ay, ito.
Touch me.
Sa, dito?
Ito na ba?
Dito sa plato. Para maging gaya ng aking gray.
Ba't brown?
Anong brown? Red to. Yun yung ginamit ko. Kasi itong red na to,
Wala in
brown yan.
Wala ink talaga yan.
Meron? Akin to eh. Siya. Hindi akin to guys. Dalawa akin to. sorry.
Sorry na. Oo.
Hindi kita papatawarin.
Wala, pag nagsusuri ako.
Eh, kasi ano eh, kailangan ko pa sabihin sa'yo eh.
No.
Tatawanan mo lang naman.
Guys, mabagal ako. Akong pinakabagal na tao sa buong mundo, guys. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Oy!
Ano kaya kung iyan mo na lahat? Hindi yung... Now, I need to know who's beautiful more. Ay, sorry. O, diba? Magsisorry agad ako.
Baho. Ay. Totoo naman, di ko pa nag-toothbrush. Ay, joke lang.
Nag-toothbrush talaga ako. Oo,
Wait, Didiada!
Tignan mo na nga lang kita. Maganda kasi ako mag-color. Gusto mo pa gandahin ko palalo. Gusto mo?
Pangit mo.
Ay!
And this Asian this
Who says I love you?
you and me.
Who the heck?
You ugly!
Okay lang yun, pe. Papatay ko. Bagal mo. So guys, let's start for our kasi 12 na yung oras dito. Ano siya?
In time!
Okay. Let's go. Let's see the result. Who won in the round 1? Please comment down below. Guys, ito na.
Unti lang na yung dinner wing kasi ang bagal level eh.
Guys, tignan mo ang ganda ng kanya kasi dinecorate ko yan.
Yakadiri ka.
Hoy, yung kulay green na yan. Ganda ka. Ito guys, ito yung cookie. Ito yung cake.
Tapos, next round.
Basahin nyo guys.
Hindi yung kita kasi mga balbal yung words. Baba.
Sige nga, ito nga.
Round